Wednesday, my friends, and welcome back to another non-phone work from home job lead. That's right, we all love those non-phone email or chat-based customer service positions, and I have another one for you. But real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss another upload from me. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Knack. Now, Knack is based out of the United States, so unfortunately, this position is for my United States folks only. They are hiring a remote customer support specialist, but again, this is non-phone based. Now, Knack is a code-free platform that thousands of customers use. They can use it to easily build custom apps, workflows, and databases. So customers will use this as a solution for their businesses. So what they are looking for is someone to guide customers through learning to use the Knack system and help them troubleshoot any tech issues that they have. This is done through email or their in-app messenger. So messenger chat or email, all non-phone. You'll also improve their product by gathering any customer feedback, and over time, when you recognize patterns, you will escalate those up to the higher up so that those can be addressed. You'll advocate for the customers and work with their product team, and you'll help improve the knowledge base and other support materials by writing, creating, and updating content, FAQs, that kind of thing that gives user instruction. Now, they are specifically looking for someone who is patient, empathetic, and enjoys working with customers. They want someone who really wants to make the customer's day better. They're looking for someone who has at least 1 year experience in a customer support role, specifically for a web-based or technical product that you've provided support through email or chat support. They say would be a bonus. So they're looking for someone who has a little bit of tech support background and someone who enjoys solving new problems every day. Of course, you also have to have excellent written communication skills and great writing and grammar skills. Now, unfortunately, because pay is always dependent on experience and location, the pay for this position was not listed. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.